think I'm Harry Houdini. Said my name's unknown, you know, very few seen me. Used to lack self-confidence. My best moniker was nerd, voted least likely to ever be popular. My follow count low, it had my head throbbing. Now it's 4K on my screen like a high-res monitor. So this is a colloquial apology to every single singer that has ever tried to follow me. My policy is honesty. My comic book collection is a prophecy. The gods are in my house to play Monopoly again. 7th time this week, I guess. The weeks digress while the week digest my soul. And ever since I was a knee-high pest, I was running into houses with my beehive vest, just trying to catch a buzz. Think I said enough. I'll keep speaking anyways to try to keep my head above water while the sun's getting hotter. I'm drowning round town in my down and out frown with no roundabout out to take. Piece of cake what I've been breaking in. Never felt alone, so I ain't never tried to go and make a friend or make amends or make anything at all besides a couple stories so that I can share them all with y'all. You know, had a harsh breakup, blah blah blah. I'll probably find some new chick who's the bomb.com, and maybe she'll be foreign like beyond Hong Kong, chillin' with Zelda tunes in the background, that Lon Lon song. You know, I just touched my N64 for the first time in like 64 months right after I wrote that verse line. So thank you all for all of this, for taking time and following, and thanks to every counselor who helped apply to colleges, to every single hotel shampoo bottle I've pocketed, and every super fan who walks down the hall rocking my shit. For real though, thanks, it means a lot. They say that life's too short to waste time. I don't know if it's the truth, I heard it through the grapevine. So I'ma flash a smile and have a great ride on the road to success when I'm closing my eyes. See, my pockets ain't fat, well it's not lined with anything aside for some change and a little peace of mind. Some people need money, some need love, but to be completely honest, I need none of the above. Just a couple friends to chat with, coffee to drink, enough time for this rap shit, a confidence shrink, and I'm set. Got it all after my head, rather than chasing competition, I'm a laugh instead. See, I'm ahead of the curve with my excellent verbs, a medicine reliant pseudo-entrepreneur with no reason to keep breathing and believing. Yeah, here I am, still limping through the seasons, but I'm smiling and wilding out. And the parties take my station, getting high on the couch. And if it's dinner, then I'm probably stuffing pie in my mouth. And if it's winter, then I'm probably trying to hide in my house, cause I don't like the cold, I don't like the warm either. But my temperature tests always say that I score higher, cause I'm sick with it, quick-witted and Sid Vicious. When I spit venom, the kids riddling, misfitted and lonely if I'm being honest. But I'm still tough, I'ma skip the symbiotics, and I got a bit of phonics in my system when I try. Sitting in the sky, probably practicing mnemonics, and I'm counting all the comments that are passing my path. See, I never had a reason I should rap on a track, till I had a perfect summer, tried to capture it back, and knew I had the whole family to keep on looking after my back, and that's that. And that's that. And that's that.